What's going on, guys? The Cammy from Martial Arts and Fitness Lifestyle. Thank God it's almost Friday. It's almost the weekend. I'm absolutely delighted, to be honest. Fucking hell. I love my weekends. But on a more serious note, this video is for anybody that's, you've been to the gym a few times, or, you've been going to the gym and for some reason you just stopped going. Probably just lost motivation. This video is just to hopefully give you some motivation to get back into training, and just to chase your fitness goals again. So the number one reason why you probably stopped going to the gym is lack of confidence. Probably you don't know what you're doing in the gym, or I know it can be like a little bit intimidating, some gyms, because when you go there you see like big guys there and some girls that look amazing, so probably that put you off or discouraged you from going to the gym. Probably made you feel like a little bit insecure, or just probably made you feel insecure, or just it reduced your confidence to keep going because you think like, oh, you don't look like them, or you'll never be able to look like them. But just to solve that, what you can do is go to the gym with a friend that's on your level. So probably if you're a beginner, probably go to the gym with like one of your friends that's also a beginner in the gym. That would help you feel like just less alone because I know sometimes if you're alone in that kind of situation, it can feel like very intimidating. But if you're there with someone that you know and you trust, and especially someone you feel comfortable with, that can kind of reduce the pressure on you, and just make you feel more comfortable in the gym. So all you can do simply is call up one of your friends the next time you're thinking of going gym, and just go with them and train with them, and it'll make a big difference. And eventually you won't need to go to the gym with your friend anymore. You'll probably feel confident to go on your own. The second reason why you probably stopped going is because you're busy. You probably have like a busy schedule. You have like a very active social life. For that, a simple solution is just to be honest, you don't need to be in the gym for like hours and hours. Like, I don't train for longer than like 40 minutes, to be honest with you. All you need is like 3 exercises, go heavy, go hard, and like just non-stop. Stay focused when you're training. You don't need to talk too much to people. Just focus on what you're doing. Kill your workout. 40-minute workout, you can get a lot done in 40 minutes. You know what I mean? You don't need to be in the gym for hours. Who doesn't have 40 minutes, even 30 minutes out of their day to spare? You know what I mean? Everybody does. I don't care who you are. Like, that's bullshit. Like, if you don't have 30 minutes out of your day to just work out, and also you don't need to go to the gym every day. You can train like 3 times a week even. That's plenty. 3 to 4 times a week is enough. You don't need to be in the gym like every day. So that's a simple solution to that. Another reason is probably you don't want to spend money on a gym membership, which is understandable, especially now with this whole coronavirus. A lot of people are losing their jobs. Some people have gotten laid off from work, so probably don't have the money to spend on a gym membership. So bodyweight exercises like push-ups, calisthenics, pull-ups, that kind of crack, you can do it at home. You can do push-ups anywhere. You can do sit-ups anywhere. You can do bodyweight squats. Like, to be honest, most of those calisthenics workouts, they're harder than lifting weights. You know what I mean? Like, I'm fucked after doing a few sets of push-ups and jump squats and all that shit. You know what I mean? You don't need to lift weights. You can just do bodyweight exercises instead. So again, that's a simple solution if you don't want to spend money on a gym membership. The final reason why you probably stopped going to the gym is simply you're just lazy. Plain and simple, just lazy. yeah, you just have to understand like fitness isn't for everybody. Probably you probably try training and you probably don't enjoy it that much, but you still want to look good. So yeah, just a simple way to combat that is just know why you're doing it. Like if you want to look good, then just have that in mind. Like, okay, this is a goal. I'm gonna go to the gym to achieve this goal that I set for myself. That will motivate you to want to keep training and keep going. And so yeah, just set a goal for yourself. Like if you just want to lose like a few kilos so you can look good for your summer holidays, or you just want to like put on a bit of muscle so you can look good to like get girls or whatever. Just have that goal in mind. That will motivate you to want to go to the gym to achieve that goal. And yeah, just understand like it takes hard work. Anything you want in life takes hard work and sacrifices. That's simple, you know what I mean? If you really want it bad enough, you'll do whatever it takes to get what you want. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the simple tips that you can use to get yourself back into working out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, share with any of your friends who might be beginners, or anyone you know that like have tried working out and they just stopped for whatever reason. The video will really help them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.